Yes, be attentive, all of you. Page number 3, the extra pamphlet which is given to you. Page number 3, question number 1, fire claim. This is a new question done in college. I'll explain you the point in this question, then we'll read it and solve it. It's a very simple question. And mark it very important. If it comes in exams, it will be a jackpot for you. You straight away 15 marks, full scoring. What is the new point? Understand it first. See here, normally what we do is, when we make memorandum trading account, how do we take gross profit? Percentage of past years. Past years average means basically we assume that company or the business or the firm is selling the goods to everyone at same rate of gross profit. Means if in past years the percentage of gross profit comes 30%, then on total sales we directly apply 30%. Means we assume that if I am selling the goods of rupees 5 lakhs, in which 1 lakh is sold to Hinel, 2 lakhs is sold to Forum, and 2 lakhs is sold to Sharma, then I assume that all the sales of 5 lakhs, 1 lakh, 2 lakh and 2 lakh is sold at 30% profit. But practically it's not like that. Practically, do you sell the goods to all the customers at same rate of gross profit? Some people you give more discount, some people you give less discount, some people price discrimination always takes place. Some people, because they give you a bulk order, you give them heavy discount. Some people are new customers, so initially you don't give them discount, or maybe to attract the new customers, sometimes you give more discount. Means practically if I am selling goods of 1 lakh to Hinel, maybe on that I am earning a profit of 30%. If I sell goods of 2 lakhs to Forum, maybe on that I am earning a profit of only 10%. And if I am selling it to Sharma of 2 lakhs, maybe I am earning a profit of 50% in that. So you earn different profit margins on different goods sold. This question is based on that. How we will solve such questions is, we will record all the sales at cost, and gross profit we will not write only, because every sales is at a different rate of gross profit, not interest. Rate always doesn't mean interest. Rate of interest. Because every sales is made at a different rate of gross profit. So we will not record the sales at selling price and then find the gross profit separately. Every sales we will record it separately at cost price. Directly we will record the goods sold at cost price. And no need to write gross profit on the debit side. Reason? Because on every sales the rate of profit is different. Rest procedure remains exactly same. Did everyone understand it? So look at the things. First we'll make the workings and find cost of all the goods which are sold. And then we'll make the memorandum trading account. So what is the difference in this question? Every sale is at different rate of gross profit. So instead of recording the sales and then gross profit separately on the debit side, directly each sale will be recorded at cost price. Look at the things. Fire occurred in the building of X Limited on 31/3/17. What is 31/3/17? Date of fire. Mark it as DOF, date of fire. Page number 3. Further, you are required to prepare statement of claim from the following information from 1/1/17 to 31/3/17 means it's a calendar year. Okay, 1/1/17 onwards means it's a calendar year, and we have to make memorandum trading account for only 3 months, January to March. Now see here, different sales are given. Sales to dealer, and like without cash discount, 2,50,000. One is this sales. So here the gross profit margin will be different. Then again sales to dealer online with cash discount, 2 lakhs. So here with cash discount means here the percentage of profit will be different. Then again sales to agent. Agent you sell at a different rate of profit. Goods dispatched to branch. When you sell the goods to the branch, then branch the profit rate is again different. So all these 4 sales will come on the credit side, but instead of recording 250, 2 lakhs, 180 and 170, on every sale will subtract the profit and every sale will record it at cost price. Did everyone understand this? Purchases during the year at cost will come on debit side. And stock on 1/1/2017 at catalog price, not catalog, catalog, insert A in between. CATALOG. Stock on 1/1/17 means opening stock at catalog price 2 lakhs. Even opening stock we will record not at catalog price but at cost price. Catalog price means the market price, MRP, market retail price. So we will not record it at catalog price. That also will record it at cost price. Did everyone understand this? Now look at the information adjustments. Sales to dealer at 1 month credit at catalog price less 15%. Is any discount mentioned here? So this 15% is discount only but not cash discount. Look at the second point is here, cash discount given to dealers is 5%. Means you can say that this first sales to dealer which is without cash discount, there the discount is only 15%. You can say trade discount. And second one, sales to dealer with cash discount, there is a discount of 15% also, and additionally there is a cash discount of 5% also. I did it once again, raise your hand if you are not clear. First information, sales to dealer. In the above information there are two sales to dealer. One is without cash discount, second is with cash discount. Now normally we sell to dealer at 1 month credit. Normally we sell the goods to dealers at 1 month credit period. At catalog price less 15% means all dealers we give 15% discount. 1 month credit and 15% discount we give it to all dealers. But second, cash discount given to dealers 5%. Those dealers who pay the money immediately, then we further give additional discount of 5%. Now above there are two sales. So first one which is without cash discount, there we will give discount of only 15%. And second sales which is with cash discount. In addition to 15% discount, further we will give a discount of 5%. Any doubts with this? And remember, all this is in the first adjustment underline, catalog price less. Means 15% and 5% is subtracted from catalog price. Sales to agent, catalog price less 10%. Agent we give discount of 10%. Goods transfer to branch at catalog price. No discount, branch directly at catalog price. Fifth underline, catalog price is cost plus 100%. Catalog price itself includes a profit of 100%. All the catalog prices are 100 plus 100, 200. Salvage 4 lakhs, that will minus in the statement of claim. 40,000. Salvage 40,000 will minus in the statement of claim. An amount of policy 2,50,000 is given, means average clause is applicable. Everyone is clear with this? Now understand this. I am explaining you first one, sales to dealer without cash discount, how to find the cost, and I ask you the other ones. You'll explain it to me how to find the cost of other items. Okay. So read on working note 1. Okay, one thing I am explaining you, others all I'll ask you. Working note 1. Yes, please keep silence. First I am explaining you sales to dealer without cash discount. Okay, first I am explaining you sales to dealer without cash discount. Understand it first. Suppose cost is 100. What is CP? 100. Cost price. Plus, now catalog price is cost plus 100%. Fifth adjustment. Catalog price is cost plus 100%. So can I say catalog price would be equal to 200? Any doubts on this? Catalog price would be 200. Now sales to dealer without cash discount. Adjustment 1. Every dealer we give discount of 15%. Second adjustment, if cash discount is there, we additionally give 5%. So without cash discount also we are giving a discount of 15%, 200s 15%, 30. Means finally what is the selling price to such dealers? 170. As I said, because every sale is at a different gross profit rate, all the sales, instead of writing at selling price and then finding the gross profit separately, we will record all of them at cost price. Now when selling price is 170, actual cost price is 100. CP is cost price, not catalog price, okay? That means write cost only. Now see the first information. What is the sales to dealer without cash discount? 2,50,000. So what will be its cost? 2,50,000 into 100 upon 170. Good?
1,47,058.80.
1,47,000.
58.80.
So 59. Did everyone understand this? Write it down. So when we record the sales, instead of recording the sales as 2,50,000, we will directly record what amount? 147,059. Otherwise, earlier what we used to do? 2,50,000 on credit side, then gross profit on debit side. So net effect was automatically 147,059. Here we directly record 147,059. Reason, each sale is at a different profit. Now see the question, which is the second sales to dealer with cash discount. Now understand the extra point in that. With cash discount means in addition to this 15% further you have given. So after 170 we'll subtract one more extra discount, that is 5%. Okay, and after that we'll find the cost in the same manner. Write down second, sales to dealer in bracket with cash discount. Suppose cost is equal to 100 plus 100% catalog price. So catalog price will be equal to 200 minus discount given to all dealers is 15%. No, directly you cannot do 200's 20%. That 5% extra discount what you'll give will be on 170. So 200 less 15% discount given to everyone, 170. Now further you give cash discount 170 into 5%, 8.5. 161.5 will be the selling price. Everyone has written up till here? Anyone who is not clear with this extra discount given? All are clear with it? Now here, Rajvi, how will you find the cost price?
So 160, if cost price is 161,
Selling price.
selling price is 161.5
If selling price is 161.5
and cost price is 100,
and cost is 100.
so 2 lakh, or if selling price is 2 lakhs,
Yes, selling price all of you can see in the above table 2 lakhs.
yes, 2 lakhs into 100 divided by 161.5.
Yes, 2 lakhs into 100 upon 161.5. That is
1, 2, 3.
1, 2, 3, 8, 3, 9. Raise your hand who did not understand this. All are clear with this? Then third one is sales to agent. Now look at the third information. Sales to agent is at catalog price less. So after catalog price 200 will subtract 10%. Did everyone understand this? Third working, sales to agent. Suppose cost is equal to 100
Plus 100%,
plus 100% catalog price.
200
Catalog price comes to 200
minus discount.
minus discount.
200 into
Now agent we give discount of 10%. So 200 into 10%, 20. Selling price is 180. All are able to understand this? Now, Zin,
So if selling price is 180,
if selling price is 180,
cost price
cost price
is 100,
is 100.
1,80,000 into 100 upon 100.
So 1,80,000 how much? 1,80,000 into 100 upon 180, that is 1 lakh. Raise your hand who is not able to understand it. Any confusion so far? Then what is the fourth one? Goods dispatched to branch. And look at information 4. Goods are transferred to branch at? So only up till catalog price, no discount. Is everyone clear with it? So cover. Goods dispatched to branch. Yes, suppose. Suppose cost is equal to 100 plus catalog price 100%, so catalog price is 200. Then next, how will you find the cost? How will you find the cost? Yes, silence everyone. This itself is the selling price in case of branch. Okay, no discount means this itself is the selling price. 200, cost is 100, so 85,000. 1,70,000 into 100 upon 200, 85,000. Did everyone understand this? So all the sales we obtained the cost price. What is the difference in this question? Instead of recording sales as well as gross profit, we will directly record cost on the credit side. Any confusions? Now make the format of memorandum trading account. Yes, make the format. So be attentive now. Very first, Dhruvi, how do we start? Okay, opening stock also we need to express at cost price. What is given regarding opening stock, that is also at catalog price. Means we can compare it this way like branch itself. Directly with this working itself, you can write opening stock. Yes, same thing, no need to show this suppose once again. It's the same thing. When catalog price or selling price is 200, the cost is 100. How much is opening stocks catalog price? 2 lakhs. So what will be its cost? 1 lakh. 2 lakhs into 100 upon 200, that is 1 lakh. Did you understand this? So your opening stock will come at 1 lakh. In bracket working note 5. Any confusions up till here? Then Sudeep after that. In the order opening stock, after that what is the next thing we record? Thank you. Purchases. After opening stock we always record purchases. What amount? 6,20,000 purchases as it is. They are always at cost. Now all the purchase expenses any given to you? Wages, railway freight, etc. Now all sales will come on credit side and from the working notes at cost price. So one by sales to dealer in bracket working note 1 147059. Is everyone clear with it? Then from second workings, by sales to dealer in bracket with cash discount in bracket working note 2 123839 then by sales to agent in bracket working note 3 1 lakh and by goods dispatched to branch in bracket working note 4 85,000 anyone having any doubt in it? Now whatever balance remains is the stock on the date of file. So 7,20,000. Is it 264102? Yes. By stock on the date of fire in bracket balancing figure. Yes, maiden silence. 264102 is stock on the date of fire. Now we will make statement of claim. Yes, did you make the column of statement of claim, everyone? Yes, sir. So, Himanshi.
Stock on the date of fire.
Very first, stock on the date of fire. 264102 less salvage of 40,000. 224,102 is the stock destroyed by fire. Is anyone clear with it? Now, policy amount is given, so we will apply average loss. First of all, which two informations will compare? Stock on the date of fire. Okay, stock on the date of fire, that is 264102. We'll compare it with policy amount, that is 2,50,000. See in the question, last adjustment, amount of policy, can you all see 2,50,000? Now this indicates it's under insurance, so by average clause, claim is equal to. Now, what is the formula, Nupur? Average loss. Yes, correct. Stock destroyed by fire into policy amount divided by stock on the date of fire. Stock destroyed by fire is 224,102 into policy amount is 2,50,000 upon stock on the date of fire is 264,102. What does it come to? 136. This is the amount of claim. Is everyone clear with it? So, very simple, and as I said, if it comes in exams, it will be very good for you. It will be a jackpot for you, full 15 marks question. Okay, all are clear with this? Same, put it off. When I tell you, put it on again.